Flu is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by the influenza virus, which commonly occurs in the winter season. Typically, the symptoms last about a week, with the worst of it packed into those first 2 to 3 days, when every ache, cough, and fever spike feels like it lasts forever. And even when the worst passes, you may continue to feel worn out, weak, or have a persistent cough for another week, which can be incredibly frustrating. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple but often ignored tips that can help you recover speedily from the flu. Stay with me. Tip number 1. Hydrate. One flu symptom is a high fever, which can lead to increased fluid loss that we are often unaware of, called insensible fluid loss. In addition, you might also be dealing with bouts of vomiting or diarrhea. Your body thus needs plenty of fluids to replace lost liquids and even more to fight off the infection, so it is crucial to stay well hydrated. Water is the best, but any form of hydration also works fine, including tea. 2 things you should always avoid though are alcohol and caffeine, which can be dehydrating. Tip number 2. Ease your breathing. A blocked nose, sinus pressure, and nagging cough can make the nights unbearable. But there are gentle ways to improve airflow and reduce congestion. 1. Use an extra pillow to elevate your head. This reduces sinus pressure. 2. Use a humidifier or vaporizer. Moisture in the air loosens mucus. 3. Take a hot shower or bath. Steam can open the airways. And if you've ever woken up because your throat feels dry and scratchy, hydration and humidified air can make a massive difference. Tip number 3. Eat healthy foods. Here's something people often forget. Your immune system runs on nutrients. Even if you don't feel hungry, even if all you want is toast, your body needs a steady supply of vitamins and minerals for defense. Focus on immune-supportive foods like fruits rich in vitamin C, including oranges, kiwis, and strawberries, vegetables loaded with antioxidants such as spinach, broccoli, and carrots, and whole foods rather than processed comfort snacks. Tip number 4. Use honey to soothe a cough. Honey is one of the most widely used natural remedies for cough and sore throat. Mixing it into warm tea or taking a spoonful on its own can help coat the pharynx and can reduce nighttime coughing. Interestingly, some studies have actually found honey to be more effective at controlling a nighttime cough than common cough suppressants. And tip number 5? Consider the flu vaccine, even after recovery. The yearly flu vaccine is created based on predictions of which strains will circulate each season. Occasionally, those predictions are wrong, and even if you've already had one strain of the flu, you can still catch another. So if you haven't gotten vaccinated yet, it's not too late. It can still protect you from additional strains for the rest of the season. On a final note, do not make this very common mistake after recovery from flu, rushing back into your usual routine too soon. Learn to ease back into tasks gradually. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.